Excellencies, distinguished participants from across the globe, ladies and gentlemen, India is excited to be a part of this momentous occasion, which brings back the much needed focus on family planning. We recognize family planning as a key priority, and India is pleased to commit that family planning shall be a central part of our efforts to ensure universal health care. We have already brought about a paradigm shift in our whole approach to family planning, with key emphasis now being laid on promotion and provision of spacing methods. Considering that 45% of our maternal deaths occur in the age group 15 to 25 years, where 47% of our total fertility is also clustered, we are moving from limiting to delaying and spacing for wider health benefits and well-being. Our new strategy focuses on making contraceptives available at the doorstep through 860,000 community health workers who are now going from house to house distributing contraceptives in rural India. Ensuring IUCD services on fixed days at 150,000 rural health sub-centers in close vicinity of the community by leveraging our strong workforce of 200,000 auxiliary nurse midwives, and offering postpartum IUCD services in facilities that have high caseload of institutional births, where we are also now positioning dedicated counselors for family planning. Considering that annually we have more than 12 million women giving birth in public health institutions alone, it is a window of opportunity that we wish to capitalize. Ladies and gentlemen, India is committed to ensuring that family planning information, services, and supplies are provided absolutely free of cost to every client, including 200 million couples in reproductive age group in every nook and corner of our large and diverse country, in collaboration with partners that include civil society organizations and the private sector. We intend to bring special focus on the 234 million adolescents too, and equip them to make informed choices. We have already developed indigenous capacity in public and private sector to manufacture the entire range of family planning commodities, many of which are now being exported. India is committed to mobilizing its own domestic resources without dependence on external aid. We are making massive and strategic investments in the National Rural Health Mission, which is the largest public health program in the world. Over $13 billion have already been invested by the federal government under this mission during the last 5 years to primarily strengthen health systems for improved reproductive and child health. Public spending on health, including family planning, is poised to receive a quantum jump in India over the next 5 years. A national urban health mission is on the anvil with special focus on the urban poor. We recognize that the challenge of unmet need and maternal and child mortality is the gravest among poor and vulnerable populations, and therefore we aim to accord them the highest priority. Equity and quality are the cornerstones of our strategy. We have specifically costed plans for reproductive, maternal, newborn, and child health at not just the national level, but also at the sub-national and district levels, with substantially scaled up investments in backward districts of the country. I would conclude by emphasizing that family planning must not be viewed in isolation. Taking a life cycle approach, we must address the whole continuum of care, including adolescent, maternal, and child health. India would, in fact, soon be launching and unveiling a comprehensive RMNCH plus A strategy in which A stands for adolescent health, with sexual and reproductive health as a central component. Ladies and gentlemen, for wider acceptance and success, family planning strategies, we believe, must be country-led and based on social acceptance, cultural appropriateness, and felt needs of the people. I would like to assure you that India shall remain in the forefront of this global resurgence on family planning, shall raise global awareness on the positive impact of family planning through consistent advocacy at all fora, and shall promote South-South collaboration as chair of the Partners in Population Development, a strong alliance of 25 countries. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for this opportunity to renew India's commitment to family planning. Thank you.